Hello students, myself K.K. Sharma is addressing you and we start today our topic beekeeping. It is the last topic of the chapter improvement in food resource. Dear students, beekeeping मधुमक्खी पालन। मधुमक्खी हम क्यों पालते हैं, इसका पर्पस क्या है? You know very well. We keep the bees for mainly two purpose, honey and wax. शहद के लिए और मोम के लिए हम मधुमक्खियों को पालते हैं. What is the importance of honey? You know very well. Honey is very tasty and 5 times more sweeter than the sugar. And wax is used for medicinal purposes and for candle formation. Now again, beekeeping is the practice of keeping, caring and management of honey bees on a large scale for obtaining honey and wax. Means beekeeping की जो प्रैक्टिस की जाती है वो उनको रखना, पालना और उनकी व्यवस्था की जाती है लार्ज स्केल, बहुत एक बड़े स्केल पर इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू के लिए, हनी और वैक्स के प्रोडक्शन के लिए. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हाउ कैन वी गेट हनी एंड वैक्स फ्रॉम द हनी बीज? सो देयर इज ए प्लेस वेयर हनी बीज आर केप्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एपायरी. एपायरी मीन्स that is a place where so many beehives in a desirable location in a systematic manner. एक व्यवस्थित रूप से हम मधुमक्खियों की छत्तों को व्यवस्थित करते हैं और वहां उनको पूरी तरह से they can get flower and pollen grain and we get the large amount of wax and honey. Now question is, what type of honeybees we keep? So dear student, it is an interesting fact that about 20,000 species of bee in all over the world, but only 4 types of bees produce honey. Only 4 types of bees produce honey. Now, Indian variety of bees, भारतीय मधुमक्खियां, Apis serena indica, that is called Indian bee, common Indian bee. Apis dorsata, rock bee. Apis florii, small bee, that is called very small bee, that is also called mohal. Generally you see around all of you. But Indian bee do not produce more amount of honey, but sting more and more. काटती भी ज्यादा है और शहद भी कम देती है. And they stay in beehives for short time also. So there is more production of the honey. We require such type of honey bee which produce more and more honey and stingless. So there is a good variety of bee, that is Italian variety, जो इंडिया में टेम की जाती है, कीप की जाती है, that is Italian variety, that is Apis mellifera. Name is Apis mellifera. It is a good variety of honey bee. What are the advantages of Apis mellifera or foreign species? फर्स्ट, हाई हनी कलेक्शन. ये जो मधुमक्खियां हैं इनको हम रखने पर हमारा हनी कलेक्शन बहुत हाई होता है. रिप्रोड्यूस फास्ट, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी अपनी संख्या बढ़ाती है. स्टिंगलेस, काटती भी कम है, दैट इज गुड करेक्टर. स्टे इन बीहाइव्स फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, और छत्तों में बहुत अधिक समय तक रुकती भी है, अधिक समय तक रहती है. Now, what properties of honey. Honey has the property, it is dense liquid. You know very well about honey. It is yellow color, dense liquid, and sugary in taste, 5 times more sweeter than the sugar, I have already told you, and has great energy when we need it. Now question is, from where we collect nectar and pollen for honey. So dear students, the place where is honeybee collect the pollen and seed flower juice, that is called nectar. Dear students, what is nectar? Nectar is a sweet juice produced by flowers. Honeybee collect them and change into honey. That is interesting fact about that. Actually, honey is a vomit of the honeybee. That is very interesting fact. One honeybee suck the nectar and pour into the mouth of other honeybee, and other honeybee chew it for a long time and convert into honey and collect it into the comb or beehives. So that is interesting fact about honey. Now our topic is pasturage. Pasturage, dear student, that is the place from where from where honeybee collect nectar and pollen from the flowers. That is called pasturage. Now, type of and quality of honey is depend on the flower present around them. The taste and quality is depend on the flower, what type of flower around them. Dear student, that is all for today. Thanking you very much.